Please sit down. My name is Mrs. Uma Tripathi. What's your name, candidate?
My name is Aditya Sharma.
And what's your name, candidate?
My name is Rashi Kajri.
So your names are Aditya Sharma, candidate number 1A, and Rashi Kachet, candidate number 1B. Candidate A, tell me something about your hobby.
I like to sing music and listen music and do homework, study encyclopedias and roam in the garden.
Okay, so you love nature, isn't it? You are a nature lover. Thank you very much, candidate A. Candidate B, tell me something about your school. Do you love your school?
Yes, I love it very much because it has many gardens and also teachers are very good. They teach us moral values and the lessons they taught us and we understood it very clearly.
Okay, so the environment in your school is very good, you want to say. Thank you very much, candidate B. Now let us move to stage 2. Candidate A, you are going to tell us about your topic, and when you have finished, candidate B will ask you a question and then I'll ask you some more questions. Would you like to begin, please?
I have chosen the topic ethical values. Ethical values are the guiding principles of our life. These are the moral codes that enable us to make the right decision in our life. When we learn different values, we start to enjoy the fragrance of divine perfection. Ethical values develop our character. So we should acquire ethical values to develop our personality and to become a successful and worthy citizen of our country.
Thank you, candidate A. Candidate B, would you like to ask a question, please, to candidate A?
What are the values you want to cultivate in yourself?
I want to cultivate self-confidence, self-control and harmony, peace, etc.
Thank you very much. Candidate A, how often do you practice the taught values in your school?
I practice in my home and with
In your
my
day-to-day
friends.
life, do you practice?
Yes,
And you have this moral value teachings in your school?
yes. These are taught us very hopefully and they can cultivate our inner
Okay.
values.
And how many days in a week do you have these moral classes?
We have 3-4 days in our school.
Okay. Thank you very much, candidate A. Candidate B, now you are going to tell us about your topic. And when you have finished, candidate A will ask you a question and then I'll ask you some more questions. Would you like to begin, please?
Yes, the topic which I have chosen is old age home. Old age home is simply like a home where the inmates get all the facilities of routine living, like food, clothes, etc. All these necessities are well looked after, but the much needed love and care of loved ones is hardly missing. The concept of this separation of elders from youngsters having came into India from the West. The attitude of women have largely contributed to this separation of families.
Thank you, candidate B. Candidate A, would you like to ask a question to candidate B, please?
Yes. On our part, what can we do to help the old age homes?
We can give them some money or anything that would help them. We can visit them in a week 3-4 days so that they may feel happiness and also children can provide it proper guidelines so that they may respect their elders.
Thank you, candidate B. Now, candidate B, Rashi, do tell me, do you love living with your grandparents? Do you love, first of all you tell me, do you live with your grandparents?
Yes, I live with my grandparents.
And you enjoy living with them?
Yes, very much. They are very friendly and very good they are.
They are very good and you enjoy living with them, isn't it? So, what is different from your parents which you do not get it from your parents and you get it from your grandparents, which makes them so special?
Grandparents tell them some stories and also they watch news so that we may get knowledge. They also look after us. Whenever we get something good in our life, we show them and they always appreciate us.
Thank you very much, candidate B. Now let us move to the third round, that is problem solving. I'm going to give you a card which has information about the problem. I'll read out first and then I'd like you to read the information and then discuss together how you are going to solve the problem. You have 2 minutes to do this and this is your problem. A friend of yours sits for hours chatting on Facebook instead of finishing important assignments. They are falling behind with their schoolwork. Discuss how to help your friend.
A friend of yours sits for hours chatting on Facebook instead of finishing important assignments. They are falling behind with their schoolwork. Discuss how to help your friend.
We can help them by telling them education is very important in a person's life. It is the education which makes the future of any person.
There are many disadvantages of Facebook and they don't give us any knowledge. They only spoil our valuable time.
Yes, I think that is the wastage of time only.
And by doing Facebook, we can't.
Get some knowledge and education that we get from books and passages.
Thank you. Please stop there. Will you like to tell me if you have reached to a solution?
Yes.
Do you agree with your friend?
Yes, I agree.
And what is it that you agree with him?
It is a wastage of time, and we cannot get the knowledge that we get from schools and books and class teachers.
Okay, thank you. Kanjajbi, would you like to elaborate on it?
Yes, I think Facebook is only a wastage of time. Parents should not give mobiles or net connection to the children so that they may concentrate in studies and also can be a successful person in his life. Education is only the thing that provides us something in our life that from which we can do something in.
Thank you, Candidate B. Candidate A, do you feel these ideas and motivations will help your friend?
Yes, surely they will help, but we can do all this much only because the rest the friend of us should do.
He should also try on his own level, and you should help him in his homeworks and in his studies wherever he lags behind. This is what you want to say. Okay, so please stop there. That's the end of the test. Thank you.